MJ said there's a
हेलो
burglar
एंड
nearby that
वेलकम
matches
गाइस,
Black Cat's
एपिसोड 2
MO.
स्पाइडरमैन रिमास्टर्ड ब्लैक कैट वाला। क्या बोलते हैं, द हीस्ट। हाँ, द हीस्ट के दूसरे एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है। पहले एपिसोड में अपन ने क्या देखा? पहले एपिसोड में अपन ने देखा कि कोई तो गुलाबी कलर की लड़की थी जो स्पाइडरमैन की गांड उंगली कर रही थी। और स्पाइडरमैन ने ब्लैक कैट को देखा तो भूल गया कि एमजे के साथ रिलेशनशिप में है और पुरानी हवस को जगाने लगा। इसके साथ ही अब वो उसी का पीछा कर रहा है। देखते हैं ये पीछा बिस्तर तक जाता है या नहीं। खैर, बच्चों का गेम है तो वहां तक तो नहीं जाएगा, उसके लिए हमको लाइव एक्शन मूवी देखना पड़ेगी। वो भी अगर मार्वल ने आर रेटेड बनाई तो देखते हैं। चलो, इस टावर के ऊपर तो स्पाइडरमैन को बिठा दिया है। क्या? हाँ, चलो ठीक है। गलत बोल दिया गलती से। येलो डॉट पे जाना है, 682 मीटर्स। ओके। चले। चलो। राइट साइड में क्राइम दिख रहा है, क्राइम सॉल्व करना है कि अपन स्टोरी कंप्लीट करें? क्या बोलते हो बस? मैं तो स्टोरी कंप्लीट करने के मूड में हूँ। क्राइम सॉल्व कर करके यार मैं क्या बोर हो गया हूँ।
Attention units. Witness reported a mugging. Suspects may be armed. Location is north of Houston. Over.
वहाँ क्राइम चल रहा है 250 मीटर्स। भाड़ में गया क्राइम। नहीं चल, क्राइम इतने चल रहे हैं हमारे बिहार में, इतने क्राइम चल रहे हैं, हम वो सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हैं, इनके सॉल्व करेंगे हम। आ,
Felicia, what have you done this time? Cops have blocked off the whole street. If I can pick up the cat's trail, maybe I can catch up to her.
फिर
Looks like
कुछ
the
बकचोदी
security guard was
करवाएगा ये मेरे
hurt.
से। बता बाबू, क्या
Maybe the
करना है?
EMT can tell me what happened. What happened here?
Spider-Man, I heard someone stole a rare book or something.
Is the guard gonna be okay?
Pretty bad case of photokeratitis. Basically a flash burn of his corneas, but he'll recover.
I need to check the alley. If Felicia did this, I've got to find her.
अरे पूछी लो बाई हमरा दूत राजा जी। ये गाना क्यों बज रहा है मेरे मन के अंदर? वी से कुछ स्कैन करने को बोला है बाबू ने, पर क्या स्कैन करना है? कुछ भी गोल्डन गोल्डन नहीं दिख रहा माला। फाइंड अ वे टू ट्रैक द ब्लैक कैट। फाइंड अ वे टू ट्रैक, उसके पंजे कहीं दिख रहे हैं
Need to
तुम
look
लोग?
around the alley. There's got to be clues to find Black Cat.
तो कहाँ है भाई? मैं डोरा दी एक्सप्लोरर बन के खेलता हूँ। क्या आपको कहीं ब्लैक कैट के पंजे दिख रहे हैं? कहाँ दिख रहे हैं? लौड़ा कहीं नहीं दिख रहे हैं। कहाँ है, कहाँ है, कहाँ है? फाइंड अ वे टू ट्रैक ब्लैक कैट। कहाँ से, कहाँ से? वो पूछे क्या? नहीं, वो ग्रीन वाले बंदे के पास ही कुछ होगा यार। ये आदमी हरे में चमक रहा है, इसने कुछ कर रखा है क्या? मैं उठा के अभी किसी को लपड़ लपड़ मार दूं। हाँ यार। अब मैं चुप रहूंगा और ब्लैक कैट को ढूंढने की कोशिश करूंगा। मस्त। अच्छा प्लान है। Find a way to track Black Cat. I cannot see any clue, bro. Where is the clue? Please tell me, where is the clue? Am I blind? What do you think? We have to end the golden circle, but
Please don't touch the suit. Keep up the good work, man. Antique book. Looks like it's volume 2 of a set. Where's volume 1? There's a high-end pawn shop owned by the Machio family around here. Felicia already took 2 data drives from other families. Did she just take a third? There have to be more clues around here. Magnesium flare. Probably what burned that guard's eyes. If I analyze the residue, I can track...
फिर आ गया यार ये। चलो गाइस, ये जो चीजें हैं ना, ये टेक्निकली नर्ड लोगों के लिए, ये स्पाइडरमैन का जो अपने अंदर जो नर्ड पना है वो बताती है। अब अगर मैं तुमको बताना चाहूँ तो ये जो सरिये जैसी लाइनें हैं, ये वाइट लाइंस को कैंसिल कर देंगे और मुझे इसको एक्यूरेट पैटर्न में बनाना है। और ये बहुत चूतिया चीज है, मैं कसम से बता रहा हूँ, बहुत दिमाग खराब होता है। पर ये तो यहाँ लगेगा और ये लाइन इससे यहाँ कैंसिल होगी, लेकिन ये यहाँ के लिए नहीं है, ये वाला यहाँ के लिए। देखा, इस तरह की नर्ड चीजें करना पड़ती हैं। तू इधर आ, तू इधर आ। नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये यहाँ के लिए नहीं, तू इधर जा। ये 2 पैटर्न मिल गए, ये अपन ने लगा दिया है। तू इधर जा, हाँ, और कैंसल, तू इधर आ। पैटर्न मिल गया।
Got it.
मिल गया। क्या करेगा अब तू इसका?
There's the trail. Let's see where it leads.
ओके,
Having a hard time focusing.
अब ये
I
स्पाइडरमैन
can't
की
be a
तरह
dad. I mean, technically I can be, but I need to tell MJ. She'll know what to do. But how am I
एमजे
gonna
को
tell
मत
her?
बताना, लड़कियों
I
से
should
एक्स
do it
के
in
बारे में
person.
बात नहीं करते।
No, if I do it in person, it'll seem like it's a definite thing, when it is not a definite thing. Looks like a member of the Machio crime family.
Wonder if I remember to set the DVR.
ए, क्या हो गया?
Spider-Man KO'd Vito! Take him out!
And here come some of his brothers. Ever think maybe Vito got KO'd for acting exactly like this?
Now, this Ciceros were right! Spider-Man's working for Hammerhead!
Like I told the Cicero guys, I do not work for Hammerhead. And I'm kind of insulted that you would even think that.
Machio family is not dead. Tell Hammerhead he messes with the Machio family. He messes with all the family. You better quit while you're ahead! I'm gonna make you pay for this!
कोई और बच रहा है कोई एक बाप की औलाद?
Better get back on the trail.
अरे यार फिर जा स्पाइडरमैन का सही है जो 32 गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसकी. ओके अब तो मुझे मेरी मोहब्बत का दर्शन करा दो.
MJ, sending you a pic of a plate I need you to run.
Got it. I'll let you know what I find.
फिर
You get it?
बुरी तो एमजे भी नहीं है यार. मतलब ब्लैक कैट और एमजे के बीच में किसी को चूज करना हो तो इट्स रियली अ क्वाइट टफ डिसीजन.
Where's the drive?
She said she wanted to deliver it to Hammerhead personally.
Didn't I tell you to get the drive?
Yeah, but she gave the other ones to him, so I just figured...
So I tell you to do something, and you don't do it! Now, you know what happens next.
Wait!
अरे यार ये अपने बिहार का हर जगह कॉपी कर लेते हैं. बस बिहार में ये आदमी नहीं.
Hey,
Yeah?
don't act so surprised. You said you knew what happened next.
You ready, weak punk?
क्या?
Watch out! I'm backing you up! You're gonna get worse than that!
रन डाउन अभी तेरे को रन डाउन करता हूँ. ठीक है ये ऐसे नहीं बनेगा. मिल गई दूसरी बुक. चलो आज थोड़ा सही साट मजा आ रहा है गेम खेलने में.
Here, fellas. It's probably overdue.
एक्टिवेट टावर्स फॉर द नियरबी क्राइम्स. हाँ ठीक है भाई साहब.
MJ, the cat got another data drive.
Just one more and Hammerhead has the drives from all the other Maggia families. We gotta figure out what's on those drives.
And there's something else. There's this thing. Probably not a big thing, but it could be a thing. A little, maybe big thing.
Please say a sentence that doesn't include the word thing.
Okay. The reason Felicia's working for Hammerhead is because he took her son.
Huh. I didn't know she had a son. Well, certainly sounds like something Hammerhead would do.
There's this other thing. You know that she and I dated for a while.
Yeah, so? Oh. Oh, are you serious?
I mean, I don't know for sure, but it's possible.
Ew. Ugh. I need to hang up now.
भाई ऐसी
Okay,
जब
then.
बातचीत होती है दो
She'll call
लड़का
back when
लड़की
she's
में
cooled
तो
off.
सुनने में मजा तो आता है. पता नहीं क्यों मैं उन चुनिंदा लोगों में से हूँ जिनको कलेश
I'll go on
देखने में
patrol
बड़ा
for a
मजा
while.
आता है.
Try to clear my head.
मेरी ऑडियंस भी इसी है. ये अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को बता रहा है कि मैंने ब्लैक कैट के साथ में पेलम पिलाई की थी और उसके बाद में जो है हो सकता है मेरा एक बच्चा है. एंड ही एक्सपेक्ट कि वो इसको सपोर्ट करे. पागल हो गया क्या? वो सपोर्ट करे तो ऐसी गर्लफ्रेंड मुझे भी चाहिए. कहाँ है वो बैग? कहाँ दिख रहा है? उधर कहीं बैग है. हाँ एक बैग मिला. चलो और कोई नियर बाय?
Hi, Peter. It's Miles. I was wondering, wait, is this a bad time?
No, it's fine. What's up?
Oh, nothing. I mean, wait, are you doing Spider-Man stuff right now?
A little bit, yeah.
Really? Like what, specifically?
You mean, what am I doing right now, at this moment?
Yeah, unless you think that's, like, creepy or weird or something. Yeah, it probably is. I bet I sound like a stalker or something.
Miles, it's okay. What did you want to talk about?
Nothing. Sorry. It can wait. I'll call you back later.
अब मैं एक चीज ट्राई करता हूँ. 3, 2, 1. अबे या हो गया. स्पाइडरमैन फोटोग्राफी थिंग्स. आए हाय ओए. ठीक है. व्हाट्स आवर नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव? नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव मिल भी नहीं रहा है यार. वो बहुत दूर लग रहा है. मेरे आजू बाजू कुछ खास दिख भी नहीं रहा है मेरे को. कोई लेजर लाइट कुछ. गाइस कैन यू सी इट? एक वो ब्रिज पे कुछ है. वहाँ
Hey,
पे
MJ.
क्या?
First things first, head to this address. It's the last known address of the Costa family safe house. If my source is right, they have the final data drive.
Jay, listen.
No, you listen. I kind of overreacted the last time we talked.
Not at all. You reacted exactly how I would have.
We weren't together at the time, and it's not like I didn't date other people.
Right. Wait, you dated people? Like plural?
The point is, we're adults. And there's a kid in danger. So let's get to saving him.
I don't deserve you.
I know. Okay, so I think I know what's on those drives. Years ago, the families agreed to a joint accounting database in order to keep the peace.
Put all their assets in one place.
And require all 5 data drives to access it.
So Hammerhead steals Black Cat's son.
And then forces her to steal the drives so he can steal the assets from the other families.
Hammerhead's trying to get rich quick and bankrupt the other families in the process.
We have to find that last drive before he does.
I'm on it.
स्विंग 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 ला 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 ला. कहीं चली रही हो बाबू. ये 3-3 हजार मीटर की दूरी वाले जो मिशन देते हैं ना, मुझे नहीं जमते यार. स्पाइडरमैन 2 कब आएगा पीसी पे यार? मैं वेट नहीं कर सकता इस चीज का कि क्या बोलते हैं मैं कब इतना कैपेबल बनूं कि मैं PS5 खरीदूं, क्योंकि जब तक मैं वो बनूंगा PS6 आ जाएगा। और बहुत सारे गेम्स ऐसे हैं, अच्छे गेम्स जो सिर्फ PS पे ही अवेलेबल है, अपन PC पे नहीं खेल सकते। ऊपर जा। यस, ये जो ये ये जो स्पाइडरमैन भाई साहब जब उड़ता है ना, मतलब आनंद था जाता है।
All units advised. Report of a counterfeit bills transaction currently underway.
Felicia, we need to talk.
Oh, I do miss our little chats. But I've got to run.
टॉक्सिक एक्स, मुझे मेरी एक्स की याद आ गई। बाय द वे गाइस, आपको अगर याद होगा पिछले एपिसोड में मुझे एक लड़की ने फोन किया था, उसने मुझे मिलने बुलाया था।
Guess I'm doing this the old-fashioned way.
अरे
Come on,
ब्लैक कैट इज गेटिंग अवे, जाने दे यार। ब्लैक कैट एस्केप, अब हमें चेस करना है, मुझे बड़ा बोर करती है। तो वो लड़की जो मैंने आपको बताया था ना,
Guess I'm doing this the old-fashioned way.
तो उस लड़की ने मुझे हुक करने की कोशिश की, बट
Hammerhead's got your son. You can't do this alone.
Why not?
मैं नहीं
I've done
गया।
everything else alone.
मैं थोड़ा जाकिर भाई का फैन बन गया, सिग्मा टाइप का कोशिश करी मैंने, बट
Why won't you trust me? We worked together before.
Answered your own question, didn't you?
Felicia, why didn't you come to me with this?
Because it's not your problem. It's mine.
इसको
and
देख
I'll
के मुझे
handle
उसी की
it.
क्यों याद आ रही
Maybe
है?
I don't think it's a problem. Wait, unless you mean the gang war, because that's definitely a problem.
Let it go, Spider. I can take care of myself.
Shooter's finally rebooted. It's flipping time. I can help you stop Hammerhead.
How? No killing, no breaking the law? Your way won't get it done.
Felicia, about your son. I just need to know. Is he...
Mine. And I'll take care of him.
ब्लैक कैट एस्केप्ड। शिट, वो बच्चा स्पाइडरमैन का ही निकलना चाहिए यार, मजा आएगी।
rebooted. It's flipping time. I can help you stop Hammerhead.
How? No killing, no breaking the law? Your way won't get it done.
Felicia, about your son. I just need to know. Is he...
Mine. And I'll take care of him. Stubborn little spider.
I just want to talk.
Still with me?
I could go all night if that's what it takes.
Now you're getting my attention. Guess I gotta play harder to get.
Need to get closer.
Chasing a girl like Black Cat is not.
Last time. Don't look for me.
running!
Stop chasing me! Why are you webbing me?
Because I'm trying to slow you down! Got her. Can't let her get away this time. That did it. Now to get in close. Now can we talk like human beings?
Kiss him,
This
kiss
feels
him,
pretty
kiss him.
human to me.
चुम्मा ले, चुम्मा ले, चुम्मा ले.
I know what's on those drives you're stealing.
Look at you, brawn and brains.
You can't give Hammerhead the last drive. Once he has what he wants, your son will just be a loose end. Let me help you.
What are you thinking?
Stall him. Give us some time to find your son.
I missed you. Glad we're back together again.
Not like that.
Shame. Okay. I can probably give us a couple days, max.
So, about your son, is there a chance I'm...
Later. For now, let's find him.
पहले अपना बेटा समझ के ढूंढ.
We can talk about
बता दिया कि तेरा नहीं है तो इतनी तल्लीनता से नहीं ढूंढेगा. लड़की चाल तो अच्छी चलती है. और निकल जाए इसका तो मजा आ जाए भैंचो. स्पाइडरमैन और ब्लैक कैट का बेटा. आय हाय हाय. Sexy and smart, both as fuck.
Hey, you get her this time?
Yeah, she's gonna stall Hammerhead while we all try to find her son.
Did she tell you if you're...
She didn't say.
Of course she didn't. Are you sure she's not just playing you?
I know her. She wouldn't be working for someone like Hammerhead unless she had to.
Okay, well...
ओके तभी सोचो इस पूरे एरिया में सिर्फ एक बैग है और कुछ भी नहीं और 2 टावर है. चलो
I'm gonna
बैग
run
सही
that
करवा
plate
के
number you
लाते
sent me. I'll let you know where it leads.
Whew, I'm running out of steam. Time for a pick-me-up.
Eddie's Pizza.
Eddie, it's Spider-Man.
Spidey, you sound hungry.
You know it. Can I get the usual? Extra pepperoni?
I'm on it. You want rooftop delivery?
Yes, please. Same rooftop as last time.
Give me a few. I'll let you know when it's ready.
चलो भाई पिज्जा खाएंगे. पिज्जा खाने का
Well, I'm
मूड हो
waiting
रहा है
on
यार.
Eddie.
जोमेटो
Let
खोलता
me
हूँ.
head out into the city and see what's what.
Explore the city to upgrade your gear and abilities. ठीक है. हाँ तो भाई इस वाले ब्लॉक में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. यार ये फोटो पड़ी हुई है. ये ब्लैक कैट वाली इमेजेस है ना. हाँ चलो इसको ही ढूंढ के आते हैं. 457 मीटर आगे है. ओ घूम भागने वाली तेरे मोटे मोटे नैन आजा तेरी गोदी में चल वाले पे.
I think one of Hardy's old stashes is around here.
छप्पा छप्पा छैया कहाँ है वो फोटो भैया.
Hi, Miles. Just calling you back. What was it you wanted to ask before?
Hey, Peter.
मैं पीछे रह गया ना. हाँ ठीक है.
It was just... I mean, it's no big deal or anything. I know you're super busy. I was just wondering if there might be some time we could, start training.
Training?
Yeah, maybe just the basic stuff, like swinging from a skyscraper. Or swinging from a low building. Or a tree.
Miles, you're 15. You need to focus on school. That's way more important than...
Okay,
Yeah, but if I finish all my homework early and you've got some free time one day... I mean, you started when you were 15, right?
And I nearly got myself killed at least 100 different times. I can't let that happen to you.
Okay. Yeah, I get it. Talk to you later.
Oh man, what am I gonna do with that kid?
इधर ही कहीं है।
The loot must be in here.
कहाँ है? कहाँ है?
More stolen art.
मिल गया।
Detective, I found another stolen painting.
Good work. We could close a whole bunch of files before we're done.
How'd Hardy die anyway?
Escape attempt from Rikers. He drowned trying to swim to shore. But now we can...
वो माइल्स मोरालेस को अलग पड़ी हुई है नेता बनने की भैंचोद। कहाँ जाएं? इस सेक्टर में भी कुछ खास अच्छा ये स्पाइडरमैन के स्पिन ऑफ है, मेन स्टोरी एंड हो
Who
गई है।
knows? Maybe this will help you bust the new Black Cat.
Right, which is, of course, my goal. Gotta go. Bye.
बस्टेड? अरे भाई क्या क्या कर रहेगा उसके साथ में
All
मुझे
right,
पता
Spidey.
नहीं।
Your pie's ready.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Nah, that's your job. But if you like it, can you give us a shout out on the social medias? It really helps the business.
Will do. Later, Eddie.
चलो भाई
I don't think I've
पिज्जा
ever been
खाएंगे।
this
अरे बहुत
hungry.
दूर है पिज्जा खाना यार। I got him. Yeah, baby. इसके बाद मैं फ्रेंड्स के एपिसोड देखूंगा, बहुत दिन हो गए देखे नहीं। Yeah, bro. ज़्यादा ही जोश में आ गया था। मार्वल्स का मेरा फेवरेट कैरेक्टर स्पाइडरमैन है। मतलब सच बता रही हूँ, तुम अपने अपने बताना जो भी वीडियो देख रहा है कमेंट्स में कि तुम्हारा फेवरेट कौन है। लेकिन अगर ऐसे प्लेबल कैरेक्टर देखना हो तुमको, ऐसा नहीं कि तुम आयरन मैन लिख दो, ये थॉर लिख दो, क्योंकि एवेंजर्स भी खेल रखा है मैंने। लेकिन अगर प्लेबल कैरेक्टर्स तुमको देखना हो जिनको तुम खेलते तुम्हें मज़ा आए, तो स्पाइडरमैन से बेटर कुछ भी नहीं है यार। स्पाइडरमैन की पावर्स, मूव्स वगैरह सब लाइक बेस्ट। तो खेलते हैं यहाँ पे कोई।
Those look like explosives. I should check in with the bomb squad.
Spider-Man, these guys rigged the building to blow if our informant comes out. We
चलो
can't
बम
get up
डिफ्यूज
there to
करते हैं।
disarm the bomb.
No worries, officer. Just point me in the right direction.
The primary device has been identified. Once you disable it, you'll get the arming key. You can use that to locate and disable the other devices.
Roger that.
ठीक
I'll
है,
let you know when the building is safe.
ओके। चलो अब बताओ कहाँ जाना है। हाँ के ऊपर बहुत ही ऊपर जाना है। दीवार पे दौड़ते हुए जाएंगे। नहीं, और ऊपर। ठीक है, जैसा आप बोलो। अच्छा वो है ये यार, देखे क्या सीन सा है। अरे यार फिर आ
Okay,
गया।
Spidey, don't think about what could go wrong here.
चलो फिर अब मेरे अंदर का नर्ड बाहर आ जाता है जब भी मैं ये चीजें देखता हूँ। NERD वाला नर्ड। ओके, पता नहीं क्या ऐसा मिलता जुलता कुछ और शब्द होता, कल मैं कुछ और ट्रेंड करने लग जाऊँ। ठीक है, अपने को टारगेट वोल्टेज 2 की है और 5 का हिल नहीं सकता है तो 3, 2 और 1। ठीक है 2 और अब आजा 1 3। ठीक है, अपने को एक ये चाहिए। हाँ ये हो जाएगा। अब वेट ए सेकेंड, अगर ये इधर है और ये 0 है तो बाकी को मैं कैसे करूँगा? ये तो समस्या है, ये यहाँ जाएंगे। ये कैसे होगा भाई? ठीक है 2 और 1 नहीं, 3 से काम चलाते हैं। करके देखते हैं होगा क्या। ये तो काफी डिफिकल्ट है यार, ये कैसे होगा? अगर मेरे पास ये एक ही है तो कैसे काम होगा? एक्चुअल वोल्टेज 5 का है, टारगेट वोल्टेज 2 का रखना है, तो मेरे को 3 का इसमें डिक्रीजर डालना पड़ेगा। अब डिक्रीजर ये 2 और 1 का डाल सकता हूँ, लेकिन अपने को 3 स्ट्रेट चाहिए ना। हाँ। और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, तो और 1 का डिक्रीजर ही डालना पड़ेगा। तो और 1 सही है। चलो तू हट, तू इधर आ। तू इधर जा, तू इधर आ। सॉरी, तू इधर आ। हाँ बिना उसके कैसे काम चलेगा रे? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। ये भी नहीं हो रहा। What can I do? What can I do? अरे हाँ, हो सकता है, शायद हो सकता है, शायद हो सकता है। 1 और 2, हाँ। पॉसिबल, मे बी पॉसिबल, मे बी पॉसिबल, मे बी पॉसिबल।
Great,
हो गया।
disarmed.
आज मैंने जिंदगी में सीखा है कि जो चीज इम्पॉसिबल लगती हो जरूरी नहीं
You
वो
disarm the
इम्पॉसिबल।
secondary bombs before they disarm me.
अच्छा, और भी है भेजो। और तो नीचे होगा।
Good work, Spider-Man. Our witness is safe now.
Glad to hear it. You let me know if you have any more trouble.
चलो, देखा एक बम के चक्कर में कितना माथा बच्ची हो गई। मैं तो भूल ही गया भेंचुद में मिशन कौन सा कर रहा था। ग्रीन सर्कल के अंदर आ गया हूँ।
I think one of Hardy's old stashes is around here.
Attention units. We have reports of
The Maggia, a syndicate of crime families, symbols of a bygone era. Don Fortunato, Don
यहाँ पे एक
Cicero,
पुरानी पेंटिंग मिलेगी गाइस,
Don
उसको
Machi,
ढूंढने में हल्का हल्का मजा आता है।
just to name a few. And of course, that metal-domed lunatic,
नहीं नहीं
Hammerhead. Criminals, but ones who follow a code. Better than most, right? Wrong! They toss their code out the window the second it's inconvenient, because a criminal is a criminal, and they are by definition cowards, lowlifes, and scum. I brought down the Maggia virtually single-handed in the
मिल गई?
80s and early 90s, and let me tell you...
चल,
Hey, detective. Got another painting for you to pick up.
Thanks, Spider-Man. I'll send someone out ASAP.
I'm curious, did Hardy have any family?
Yeah, her daughter, Felicia.
You don't say.
I know what you're thinking. She might be the new cat. But I ran a search on her. Comes up clean.
She just hasn't been caught yet. The police got her suit and equipment last time, but they just missed her.
I don't know, it doesn't track. When I interrogated Hardy, it sounded like he really loved his kid. Didn't want her mixed up in his work.
Oh, really? Good to know. I'll keep an eye out for more stolen paintings. Sounds like Daddy didn't want daughter following in his paw prints.
अच्छा मुझे
All
लगा
units,
कि
we received a tip about an exchange of counterfeit bills. Need immediate response at Union Square.
पिज्जा मटन वाला। मैं वेजिटेरियन।
I love you.
नहीं भाई, शाकाहारी बनो,
Now?
वीगन बनो।
I must destroy you.
वीगन भले ही मत बनो, शाकाहारी बनो। क्या किंकी लाइन है? आई लव यू एंड आई डिस्ट्रॉय यू। सुनते ही सुहागरात का पलंग याद आ जाता है।
Hey, I followed up on that license plate. It's registered to a storage company owned by one of Hammerhead's old friends. I'm there now.
सेक्सी तो ये भी लगती
Give
है।
me a few minutes. I'll be there
मेरी
soon as I
ऑडियंस
can.
सोचेगी मैं वुमनाइजर हूँ। नहीं ब्रो, मैं नहीं।
Meantime, I'll just
मैं
take a
बस
quick
ऊपर
look
वाले की
around.
बनाई खूबसूरती और उससे प्रेरित नीचे वाले ग्राफिक डिजाइनर की बनाई
First things
खूबसूरती को
first. Look around,
समझता
see
हूँ।
if the boy is being
ये
held
देखो
here.
चलने का स्टाइल
And
देखो।
if he is,
टिचू टिचू
get him
टिचू
out
टिचू
safely.
टिचू टिचू।
What do I do if the kid looks like Peter? Stop, MJ, just stop.
गार्ड इसकी भी जल रही है। अरे क्या दी?
This guy looks like he needs a nap.
Okay, MJ
What's
form
that?
में।
Sheets of counterfeit bills. Looks like Hammerhead's got a new hobby. Got it.
Stewie, give me a hand with this. It's heavier than your mother.
You crazy? Can't be lifting that. You know about my sciatica.
Yo, Mikey, help me out, will ya? Stewie's got a terminal case of being a wuss.
What? Stay up!
Wait!
Hey, who the hell are you?
मैं पकड़ा गया। कहाँ छुपे हैं लौंडे लपाड़े?
The hell is that?
Could be at the game right now.
Nothing. I gotta stop watching scary movies. The hell is that?
Wait!
Guys, somebody's in here.
मैंने अच्छा भला झटका मारा तो भी इनको फटका और लटका क्यों नहीं लगा?
Okay, I didn't imagine that. Okay, I didn't imagine that. It went or something.
All that stuff about Hammerhead cracking guys' skulls. It's just hype, right?
Do your job.
Oh, that's a lot of cash. Looks counterfeit.
Gotta try that new pizza place. What was it? Eddie's?
Good shot. No sign of the boy here. Weird as the idea of Pete being a dad is to me. Can't imagine what it's like for him. But I bet he'd be a good one.
Hey, who's there? Who's there?
Perfect. I should get a picture of that guy. Might help build a case if this goes south. I'll see if my contacts on the force can positively ID him.
All day with this damn phone. Get back to work. No more slacking off.
An unguarded laptop. Golden
इसका
opportunity.
फोन आ गया यार।
A shipping manifest.
हेलो
This could lead to their distribution center.
हेलो
Come on.
मैम प्लीज बाद में फोन लगाइएगा।
Oh,
All right, I'll tell the boys.
मैं अभी मीटिंग में हूँ, आप
The
मुझे बाद में
Costa
फोन
family's
लगाइएगा।
causing trouble, acting like they want to go to war.
I gotta have a sit
पीछे
down.
ही
See
पड़
what
गए
we
साले।
do about this. We're on high alert. You see anyone? Don't take any chances. Take them out.
मीटिंग का झूठ बोलना पड़ता है बेंचर बोलूंगा गेम खेल रहा हूँ बाद में फोन लगाएगा
Got
क्या
all the
समझ
shipping company data, which will hopefully tell us where they're keeping her son. I'll look through it later. But now, gotta get out of here. Quietly.
Back's getting sore. Hey, is it true Hammerhead got shot in the head and lived? Damn right. Spit one of the bullets right back at the guy who shot him. After that, he got the plate put in.
Huh? If that's a pigeon, it's gonna be a dead pigeon.
Maybe I can cool him off.
Ah, what a mess. Who's gonna clean it up? You. Me? How about you?
How about no?
How about both of us?
You first.
No, you first.
Think I've outstayed my welcome. Better get out of here, fast.
Okay, everybody, huddle up. We gotta talk about this situation. You think the Costas are gonna be a problem?
Close as I ever want to cut it. Ah, son of a...
Sorry.
What are you doing here? And why do you smell like pizza?
Because I just ate pizza?
Well, while you were out enjoying lunch, I was gathering evidence and trying to find a missing child.
I ate as fast as I could.
I've got stuff to follow up on. I'll call you later.
Oh. Note to self. No upside downies after double pepperoni. Thanks.
Hey, I need your help. I'll send you the location.
Felicia? What's going on? Unbelievable. She expects me to just rush on over? And here I am, rushing on over.
All units advised. An explosive has been detonated. Report came in from Clinton. Over.
All right, that's enough of the freak show.
Hey, Peter. So I've been thinking it over, and you're totally right. I need to focus on school right now.
Glad to hear it.
But I still want to stay active, so I tried out for the basketball team. That's okay, right?
Yeah. Just be careful. Keep it believable. Don't do anything too flashy.
Like what?
Well, no dunking, obviously.
Oh, right. Of course.
Miles?
It was just once, and the dude was talking trash. It was so perfect, I wish you'd have been there.
Miles!
I won't do it again. I promise. As long as you agree to start training me.
Let me think about it.
Cool. Okay, homework time. Gotta go.
All units advised. We just received a missing persons report on a VIP witness.
मैं
Location.
क्राइम सॉल्व नहीं करूंगा यार मुझे फेलिशिया से मिलने जाना है हाँ खुदाए काम काज पूछे बंदी बुला रही है मुझे हो रही सर्दी मुझे चाहिए गर्मी कहाँ है ब्लैक कैट कसम से बता रहा हूँ भाई अगर इस वाले गेम में ना अगर डीसी की ब्लैक कैट होती, आय हाय आनंद आता। खेल मतलब गेम खेल।
All units, mugging reported. Suspects armed, possibly Maggia.
So what are we looking at?
Got a tip from an old friend. Hammerhead's keeping something extremely valuable in that office above the bar.
A lot of guys in there.
If they spot me, my son's dead.
I'll draw them out. Then you sneak in.
ओह लगता है फिर स्टील्थ करने का। आय हाय
My hero.
आय हाय।
Come on. Please.
भाई इतने प्यार से बोल रही है, तेरे अंदर या तो तू नामर्द है। कहाँ गई? चली गई। स्टील्थ का तो एक्सपर्ट हूँ, उसकी चिंता मत करो। डेंजर 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 डेंजर। ओके सो देयर आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 गार्ड्स, और वो वाला अकेला बैठा है कि नहीं बैठा है? टांग दिया, टांग दिया। डेंजर। टांग दिया, टांग दिया। ये एरिया खाली है, अब उस एरिया को निपटाते हैं। डेंजर डेंजर।
So what do you think about working with the cat? Bad idea. I wouldn't trust her to hold the door open. Well, I'd be more than happy to hold the door open for her. You're a real gentleman. But seriously, no way we don't get double-crossed.
Better check that out.
You worry too much. We've had a couple of good grabs with her. Plus, no way the boss would leave something to chance.
As long as we're running all the family territories by the end, I'll be happy.
That's the spirit. You want another drink?
Nah, I'm supposed to be watching the door. Don't want to get too loose.
वो वहां से जो मुड़ रहे हैं, चल जा यार।
Bored. Okay.
Nap time.
Spider-Man's been here.
What the hell is that?
I see him! Over there! They'll be cleaning you off the walls when I'm done!
I got something. Hammerhead recently bought a room-sized, impenetrable vault to store his most high-value items.
Like a kidnapped kid? Any indication where the vault is?
No details yet, but I've got more books to go through.
Keep looking.
I'll bring him down! How'd he do that? Put him in the ground!
फिनिशर। गया।
Enough of this crap! Everyone hit it at once!
May I have this dance?
About time.
You've gotten soft in your old age.
Old age? Hey, I might be older, but I'm not old.
अब तो इज्जत की
You guys just get off lunch break or something?
Really taking your time, aren't you?
Quality over quantity.
You're in for some hurt.
Nice hook.
You checking out my gear?
No, it just... Never mind.
Put him in the ground!
Cat's got your tongue. We make a good team, Spider.
Don't get used to it.
Mind if I jump in?
Yes, yes I do.
I'll mess you up!
Too easy. Heads up, Spider. That felt good. Fire in the hole.
Ready, weak punk!
Are you guys even? You first, Spider.
No!
आहा हा आय हाय हाय आय हाय अदाएं तो भाई साहब छोरी में खतरनाक ही
Did you find the location of the vault?
मुझसे भी पूछ ले ऐसा बोल रहा है वो
No.
मनी मन
But we're narrowing it down. And it's definitely where he's keeping my son.
Yeah, speaking of him, there's an overdue conversation we...
Do you ever miss this?
What? Me getting shot at while you steal things?
I really tried going straight. Got a job that didn't involve breaking or entering. Even started wearing sweatpants on weekends.
I wondered where you went. Must have been hard for you. Especially with a child.
I need to go deeper, if I'm gonna find him.
Let me help. If we're supposed to be working together...
Some things I do better alone. Some things.
आहा Only some people can understand these lines.
I'll call you if I need an extra pair of hands.
छोरी अरमान जाके चली जाती है
Hey, MJ. Did you get any good info from that laptop?
I'm still decrypting the data. Should have something soon.
Good. In the meantime, we've got another lead. We think Hammerhead's keeping her son in a vault, but we don't know where the vault is.
Once I crack these files, maybe we can combine my chocolate with your peanut butter. Do not make a saucy joke out of that.
It's hard to resist a setup like that, but I'll hold the sauce. Thanks, MJ. Let me know what you find. Okay, get some time to kill. Let's see what's happening out in the city.
क्या चल रहा है टावर में भाड़ में जाओ और कोई मिशन है छोटा मोटा शहर में इस वाला एरिया क्लियर कर दिया है ये पुलिस स्टेशन है यहाँ पे बैग है बैग निकाल के लाते हैं अपना पुराना कहाँ है भैंस
Local units, assistance requested to detain a hostile vehicle. Maggia suspected. Officers needed at Gracie Mansion. Please copy.
The
internet's rife with footage of Spider-Man chasing the Black Cat across the rooftops. And apparently, there are hordes of young people cheering them on. They're called shippers. No, that has nothing to do with boats. It's short for relationship. As in, they really want Spider-Man and the Black Cat to be together.
Oops, sorry.
Romantically. Or they really don't. And they have quite intense arguments about it. Flame wars, I believe, is the term. You know, in my day, we didn't have time for flame wars about shipping. You know why? Because we had jobs. So here's J. Jonah Jameson's public service announcement to our youth. You're into shipping? Join the Navy!
ये बैग दिख रही है? कहाँ है? झाड़े कंकड़ में डाल दिया क्या?
Peter, I finally decrypted that laptop. You know that room-sized vault you were talking about? I found a record of it being delivered to a shipyard near Hell's Kitchen.
That's gotta be where the boy is. Thanks, MJ. Better call Felicia.
At this hour, it's either a booty call or you found something.
Hopefully your son. I'm sending you an address. Meet me there.
All units advised, we have active explosives reported in a civilian area. Proceed to Sycamore. Over.
यार यहाँ बैग नहीं है. कहाँ है? कहाँ है बैग? भाड़ में लगना है. बहुत दूर जाना है वैसे भी. बैग छोड़ो.
Units, a VIP Maggia witness has reportedly been kidnapped. Please mobilize on Museum Mile.
Attention units. We have reports of a suspicious transaction being conducted on a rooftop. Any officers near Midtown North, please copy.
क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? बंदी बुलाती तो जाना तो पड़ता है यार. ये मतलब जाने में मजा आता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब लोग कुछ भी बोले.
Seems like one of those stolen paintings is around here.
ठीक है. कहाँ है पेंटिंग? उस उल्टी साइड जाना है. एक 104 उधर की साइड है. गलत. 90. ठीक है, उस साइड जाना है.
All units, vehicle pursuit is in progress, possibly involving Maggia. Location is in the vicinity of Devil's Shelf.
नहीं, उधर.
Hardy must have stashed something here. Sorry, spider emergency.
All units, reports of a mugging. Suspects possibly Maggia. Location is in the vicinity of Devil's Shelf.
Serious about Randall.
You don't mind, right?
Lift something heavy?
All units, a local business owner just reported intimidation by armed assailants. Officers near Devil's Shelf, please report to the scene.
Bar fights are nothing new in this town. But the one that cleared out the Blackwing Tavern wasn't just your typical beer-fueled brawl. That particular establishment has, let's say, alleged ties to the Maggia. Guess who was right smack in the middle of it? Spider-Man and the Black Cat. At this point, I think it's fair to ask, who is on whose side here? Are Spider-Man and the Cat working for rival Maggia families? Or the same one? Or, and remember, I always think 10 steps ahead, are they starting their own family? Huh? 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 It would explain a lot about why Spider-Man, who clearly has no respect for the law, takes down criminals. Less competition for him and his gun mall floozy. We might just have Bonnie and Clyde in spandex on our hands.
Hey, buddy, will you follow me on social media? Wait till Mom sees this. Excuse me, sir. Nice to see you.
This must be the place.
Can I get a selfie?
कहाँ है भोसड़ी करोड़ पे?
My bad.
नहीं मिल रहा. छोड़ो जान दो.
Attention units, an active bomb. Situation has been reported. Officers, please converge on Longacre.
Again, stealth. Stealth मुझे बड़ी पसंद है.
MJ nailed it. This place is isolated. They could keep the kid here for weeks without anyone noticing.
This is the place. I know it.
If they spot us, it's over. We need to take them all out. Like we used to. Quiet as a cat.
Sneaky as a spider.
If they spot us, they might kill your son. We have to do this quietly.
Word just came down from the boss. Shoot anything that moves. Spider-Man, the cat, pigeons, anything.
My pleasure, Shoes.
How about that
Nobody's
guy?
messing with us today.
Damn right.
Hey, get over here!
Not a guys guarding this place. This won't be easy.
मैं खुद निपटा.
Okay.
Somebody give me a hand.
This guy? Hang on a sec. Not yet. Split those guys up.
Somebody back me up!
You're so good at that. Nighty-night.
Well done.
We make a good team, don't we? Going in. Need a better position. Fetch. Good one. Let's keep it going.
Okay, I didn't imagine that.
I need backup!
Need a hand here.
Just give the word, Spider. This guy is ripe for the picking. Bad luck for you.
Good one.
I'm on him. I'm ready to pounce. Can't get him yet.
Looks like about 9 guys left.
One per life. Let's not mess this up.
I might be able to split them up.
How about that guy? Got him.
Another one down.
This guy? They're too bunched up. On it. Just give the word, Spider.
I'll try to distract one of them.
Probably the wind is...
Hush.
Good job.
We should team up more often. Just a few left. Me likey. Here I go. 2 of them and 2 of us. Dumb and predictable. That's all of them.
Lots of places to hide a vault around here.
You check the shipping containers while I check in that building over there.
Felicia.
What?
I'm sorry Hammerhead did this to you.
Yeah, well, he's about to find out. You mess with the cat, you get the claws.
Should check out those shipping containers. Some of the containers have air vents. Should check them out. Just a bunch of boxes. Better keep looking. Pianos. That's random. But no kid. On to the next one. Building supplies. And no kid. He's gotta be in one of these containers. Sable International. What is this stuff? Whoa. Hammerhead's got Sable weapons. I wonder what else he has. Well, that answers that question.
Spider-Man! Shoot him!
Hammerhead thugs and Sable weapons. It's the perfect mashup I never asked for. Felicia, where are you? Another Sable APC. Wondered where all those went. Felicia, are you hurt? APCs? Rocket launchers? Miniguns? What did you guys not steal from Sable? Whoa, that was close. Damn. Gotta clear these guys out and find Felicia.
Don't let him get you!
Are you guys sure you know how to use those weapons? Okay, looks like you do.
कोई बचरिया है?
You're in for some hurt!
And that's it. Gonna be sore tomorrow. Okay, time to find Felicia. She said she was heading into that building. Felicia? The vault. Felicia. No, you gotta be kidding me! Tell me you weren't just stringing me along!
Sorry, sweetie. But I needed help to pull off a job this big.
All you ever wanted was Hammerhead's drive.
The entire wealth of the Maggia. In the palm of my hand.
You gave Hammerhead fake drives?
You think he's gonna be mad at me?
So, the kidnapping, your son, that was all just a lie?
Lie is such an ugly word. I prefer misdirection.
Do the right thing. Take the drives to the police.
Hey, I earned these. Besides, Hammerhead's on a mission and nothing is gonna stop him. If anything, I just help slow him down a bit.
They cleaned out the whole yard! Check the vault!
Time to go. I'll raise a glass to you on the Riviera.
Felicia!
Boss, we're in.
And?
Drive's gone.
New plan. There's a tracker on that drive. Find her and kill her. And if she's dumb enough to go to a little penthouse, I've got a crew waiting there to send it sky high.
What about the drives?
I don't care about the drives. I just want her dead.
Got it. We'll find her.
If there's a tracker on that drive, Felicia's in trouble. Gotta get to her, fast.
Miss me already?
Hammerhead knows where you are, and he's going to kill you. There's a tracker on his drive.
I don't get you, Spider. I just conned the hell out of you, and here you are trying to save me. How can you be so damn nice all the time?
It's not about being nice. It's about doing the right thing. You've got so many talents. I wish you'd use them to help someone other than yourself.
Yeah, well, you should know by now. That's not how I roll.
People can change, Felicia.
Love you, Spider. I'll miss you.
Wait, your penthouse! He's rigged it to explode!
Don't worry. I've still got all 9 lives left.
Damn it! Hang on, Felicia. I'm coming. Gotta move. Come on, come on! Hold on, Felicia. This piece of the Shocker's original uniform showed me how to protect myself from his blasts. Felicia!
खत्म बहनचोद। जिस बंदी की मैंने पूरे 2 एपिसोड में तारीफ करी वो निपट गई। क्या बच्चों, दिल तोड़ दिया यार मेरा। हालांकि मरी तो नहीं होगी वो, लेकिन फिर भी। चलो जरा ये मार्वल के पोस्ट क्रेडिट देख ले। Peter is happy because he is not a father of any child.
And they still haven't found a body?
And surely he can.
No.
Do you think she survived?
I don't know. I mean, anything's possible, but...
So, how's it feel to not be a dad?
मन की बात बोल रही छोरी।
No, No, I'm serious.
ये मैंने देखा है यार, तुम्हारे पास एक
Honestly,
बिल्कुल ही ग्रीन फ्लैग, तुमसे प्यार करने वाली बहुत क्यूट
I'm
सी
kind of
बंदी होती
relieved.
है, लेकिन तुम
Yeah, I've
उसकी
got a lot
तरफ
going
दौड़
on.
पड़ते हो जो
Yeah,
तुम्हारे लिए
you
सही
do.
नहीं है। अगर मेरे दोस्त ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे
I
होंगे
think
तो
you're gonna
रिलेट
be
कर
an
पा रहे होंगे मैं
amazing
क्यों बोल
dad
रहा हूँ।
someday.
पॉडकास्ट भी
At the
स्टार्ट
right
करना है।
time.
अगर ये गेमिंग चैनल
With the right
सक्सेसफुल होता है
person.
तो मैं पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट करूँ। पर ऐसी हैप्पी एंडिंग होती नहीं है। Follow the money, complete. Congratulations, you have finished the Heist story. The adventure continues in the next campaign, Turf Wars. ये मैं अभी नहीं करूँगा। Turf Wars अगले हफ्ते देखी जाएगी। चलो गाइस, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट। अगर रात में देख रहे हो तो, अगर दिन में देख रहे हो तो बस थोड़ी का काम करो। ये वीडियो देखने का टाइम हो गया।